It's June 24th and it's open. Cultus Lake Adventure Park is open. Let's go have some fun. Alright guys, we're at Cultus Lake Adventure Park with my mom. She really wanted to come here for some reason, I don't know. Anyway, to get in here, you had to reserve online beforehand, and I did that a month ago. And it's limited capacity, I believe. You have to wear your mask. And yeah, let's see what we can get into here. Hey Mom, you want to take a walk around and take a look around first? All right, let's walk around. What's going on at Cultus Lake Adventure Park? A mini drop, a carousel, a balloon ride, Ferris wheel, the wilderness trail. That's very cool. That's where you can get your food, right? We have a little trick for you guys. This is a great place for food, but there is another place on the boardwalk where you can get food, and it's a lot shorter lines. Oh, we got the swinger and bumper boats with water squirting and a photo op, so it looks like you're in a balloon from down below. All right, let's go up the boardwalk. Across the street over there, you'll see the water park, but we're not doing that today. Right, Mom? Down below is some of the nature park. That little trail that we showed you earlier. But right here, below, down here, guys, awesome mini putt. Get a chance to do this mini putt, it's so cool. The theming is absolutely perfect.
It's like, where am I going?
I think the best ride here, right?
Sorry?
That's the best ride here.
This one?
Yeah. The leapfrog is the best ride here.
I've never been on this one.
What? Oh. Anybody ride it today yet?
A couple people, yeah.
There we go. Again, more Giggle Ridge mini putt down there. Very cool. Like I said, when it gets really busy here, come to this place. This is where the lines are really short. It's not open right now, but in the future, if you ever come down, this is a secret place. Check this out. And now, here's Cloudbuster. The drop ride. It's the biggest drop ride here. A lot of fun. I don't know where the coaster is. What do you think of this ride?
This one?
Yeah.
Love it. Favorite right here.
There you go. You heard it right here. What was that again?
Oh, this is my favorite right here.
Favorite ride here. Right there. There you go. Where else can we go? Let's go. Is the coaster running or?
Yep.
Right, there we go. Here comes the coaster. Crazy coaster. Crazy fun times. All right, what else is there? I think there's one other ride we have to see. There it goes again. There we we go. So that was the Runaway Mine Train roller coaster, Mom. There you go. And then there's a roundup here. The crazy roundup. And this here is the entrance to the mini put. And Last in Barrels is right there. That's a fun run. We'll be on that one soon. Stay tuned for that. And it looks like we're back at the beginning. My mom is hiding behind me. There's that crazy horse ride. Right? You're not doing the crazy horse ride? Yeah, okay. So stay tuned for Mom going on the crazy horse ride. Make sure you like and subscribe for that. No, you're not doing it? No. I guess I'll have to get sick on that. How about the honey pot? You want to get on the honey? Okay. Well, anyway, guys, that is Cultus Lake Adventure Park. We're going to try some rides, but like I said, subscribe so you'll see some of those rides in detail. So stay tuned, guys. See you soon.
See ya.